This is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Probably one of the best portable cameras that have been on the market in a long time. But the problem is with it, you can't really adapt anything to put on it. And so DJI have come up with the expansion adapter. The expansion adapter allows you to fit things to your Osmo Pocket 3. This clips onto the Osmo Pocket 3 and allows you to add accessories via the cold shoe and the GoPro style mount on the back. Today I'm going to run through what it does, how to connect it, how you connect accessories to it, and give you the pros and cons, and hopefully you get a better idea whether it's worth you purchasing it. So now I'm going to show you how to put the adapter onto the Osmo. You place the adapter around the Osmo, securing it with a clamp, and if you can see the window at the front above the joystick and the record button, allows you to still access the controls. It looks like the adapter is going to obstruct the rotation of the screen, but it actually rotates still perfectly. Now I'm going to attach a mini video light. You do this by placing the plate of the cold shoe into the cold shoe mount on the adapter. Loosen the screw if it doesn't fit in. Once you get the plate fitted inside, tighten the screw against the cold shoe, and that's basically it. You've mounted the video light, switch the video light on, and wherever you point the gimbal, the video light will go as well. This is one of my favorite accessories. It's the DJI phone holder. You attach it via the cold shoe. Attach your phone, open the Mimo app, and you can use and control the Mimo app at the side. It's great for landscape shooting, and it can be rotated for vertical shooting. So now I'm going to use the GoPro style mount on the back to mount it to the suction cup. So you just put it on as you do any other GoPro mount, and then I use an attachment to slide it into the suction cup. You just push the center of it in to make sure that it doesn't come out. I've used makeshift screws here because I seem to have lost all the proper screws for the GoPro, and you cannot buy them for love nor money. So that's it all attached, and that's a suction mount, and then I attach it to the car window. You can attach it to the outside. It's rated for up to 150 miles an hour. I haven't used this suction cup for quite a while, so you needed a bit of fiddling to get it right, and that's it. So that's some of the accessories you can use when using the adapter to put onto your DJI Osmo Pocket 3. There's probably many more things you can use as well, but that's the accessories I've got. My verdict is it's £15, which is equivalent to $20. So it's not very expensive for the versatility that you get. So I think you should just go out and buy it. You can get it on Amazon, or you can get it directly from the DJI store. If I had one criticism, or any criticism, it's that the actual adapter doesn't go to the bottom of the Osmo, so it still has a beveled edge at the bottom, and you can't stand it without actually putting it on a tripod or buying an external stand for it. I feel like if the adapter went any further down, or it went further down, it would create like a flatter surface, and therefore you could stand the Osmo up, which is just a bit more convenient. But yeah, I mean, that's just niggling. Other than that, it fits perfectly, and it does what it says on the tin. And that's pretty much it. Please subscribe and like the video, helps me out massively, and I'll catch you on the next one.